Man, what they at? Finally, what took you so long? You too.
Man.
It's too much. What do you mean?
It's too much to explain. Man, you don't understand.
You don't understand. We for like an hour.
Long story, sir.
What you mean long story?
You want to hear our long stories?
Yes.
Well, you go first with your long story. I gotta hear this.
Let's go. What you talking about? So it goes something like this. Sure.
Had to wait out for the transportation. Had to go back to my house and get my paper. Mom said, "Where you going, son?" I told her I had to go to the park before it got dark. Had to meet my friend Jake on and Tavon. So I'm out the house like a comet. Waiting for the bus for 30 minutes. Had to catch a different ride. So I went back to my house and grabbed my bike. Headed north on 14th and kept going till I got to Park Road. Riding so hard I hit my elbow. Made a right to the park. Man, I can't believe it's still not dark. I wanna go to a peaceful place to master my art. The place I think of none other than Rock Creek Park. I'm on 16th Street, my impatience makes me fuss. I'm walking to Rock Creek now instead of waiting for the S2 bus. Cause staying at the bus stop is a waste of my time. There's a certain spot in the park I gotta make mine. I start jogging to my destination quickly, only to have my lack of stamina catch up with me. I'm exhausted, but that can never hold me down as I continue to stay RCP bound. My adrenaline keeps my mood alive as I walk up to Fort Stevens Drive. Here I am now, rushing through the golf course. I gotta get to my spot and I ain't taking no shorts. No need to fear friends, cause I'm finally here to master my art with y'all in this time of year. Yeah.
Well, what? Huh? Why were y'all rapping? Where did the beat come from?
You wanted your stories, you got it.
I didn't ask for a rap song, I asked for a story.
No, you got the story.
Yeah, but
In a rap.
Where did the beat come from? What? Wait, what? How did I hear it? Forget it. Okay, since now we here now, what you trying to do? Y'all wanna go for a hike or something?
Let's go.
Okay.
Yeah, baby. Let's go then.
Where that beat come from? Telling you. What's so funny? I'm dead serious. Where the beat come from?
We just gonna keep that a best kept secret. Huh? Yeah.
Hey, ¿qué pasó?
Nada aquí.
¿No has visto el espacio que se está perdiendo en la naturaleza?
Sí, porque toda la gente se pone a usar internet y cosas así.
Y todo el mundo se está olvidando de la madre naturaleza.
Sí, por eso queremos invitar a toda la gente a salir afuera para desestresarse y tener un buen tiempo.
You know, they're right. Rock Creek Park is beautiful, and people should come here more often.
Yeah. Wait, you understood them?
Oh, no. I just read the subtitles.
Look at all this space going to waste. Kids with video games don't go outside to play because this modern world is forgetting the joys of nature. Go to Rock Creek Park and forget all the natives and Mother Nature. We all can come together as one to go to Rock Creek Park.
What you were just over there.
So, what other activities can we do in the park?
Wanna go play soccer?
Sure.
Let's go.
The joy of the sun for everyone. Let's go to Rock Creek Park and have some fun.
To Rock Creek Park.
I don't think y'all heard
Rock Creek Park.
The joy of the sun for everyone. Let's go to Rock Creek Park and have some fun.